Beth Swans here, digital learning consultant here at Grant Wood, and I want to share with you this very powerful tool that's at the top of Chrome called the Omnibox. So stay tuned for a tip and a trick. So today I want to talk to you about this very powerful tool up here at the top called the Omnibox. This is where we type in a web address. Like if I start typing Grant Wood, notice it populates it for me, and I can go directly to the website that I'm looking for. But it also will look for things in my drive. Did you know that? So if I have a doc that I know the name of, Transformative Classroom, here it is, Tenets of Transformative Classrooms. It's looking in my drive, it finds the doc I'm looking for, and will automatically open it for me. Now, you may have also noticed that when I started typing Transformative Classrooms, I have this little switch to this tab. To me, this is a golden ticket because I often have many, many, many tabs open at the very same time. If I start a new tab and begin typing the name of whatever it is I'm looking for, I can then click on this switch to this tab. It'll automatically bring that tab to the front, which is golden. The other thing that you can do up in the Omnibar is I can also start a new doc. So if I type docs.new, it will automatically create a new Google Doc in my drive. It'll do the same thing for slides, for forms, and also for sheets. So just a couple ways that you might leverage that Omnibox for a more rich Chrome experience. Do you want to know more? Well, you can contact your Grant Wood AEA Digital Learning Consultant, or you can check out the links in the video notes for more information.